Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Welcome to relating plane figures to solid figures. Today we're turning flat shapes like squares, triangles, and circles into 3D solids like cubes, pyramids, and spheres. Let's explore how these 2D figures come alive in the 3D world. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to identify different plane figures, square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Recognize common solid figures like cube, rectangular prism, pyramid, and sphere. Describe the attributes of solid figures in terms of faces, edges, and vertices. Also, relate plane figures to the faces of solid figures, explaining how flat shapes form the 3D figures. Lastly, explain the relationship between plane figures and solid figures. Now let's relate a plane figure to a solid figure. What shape is this? Alright, it is a rectangle. What solid figure can we form from this shape? Yes, you're right. We can form a rectangular prism. See how our flat rectangle becomes a full 3D rectangular prism. Amazing, right? Now let's compare the rectangle and a rectangular prism. A rectangle is a 2D or two-dimensional figure, while a rectangular prism is a 3D or three-dimensional solid. The dimensions of our rectangles are length and width, and the dimensions of a rectangular prisms are length, width, and height. A rectangle has no faces because it is flat, while a rectangular prism has 6 rectangular faces. A rectangle has 4 sides or edges, while a rectangular prism has 12 edges. A rectangle has 4 vertices or corners, while a rectangular prism has 8 vertices or corners. A rectangle has no thickness, while a rectangular prism has thickness, or we call it height. Now let's discuss the relationship between a rectangle and a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is made up of rectangles. Its face of a rectangular prism is a rectangle. When you unfold a rectangular prism, you get a net of rectangles. What shape is this? Yes, it is a square. What solid figure can we form from this shape? Alright, it is a cube. Let's compare the square and the cube. A square is a 2D or two-dimensional figure, while a cube is a 3D or three-dimensional solid. The dimensions of a square are length and width, while the dimensions of a cube are length, width, and height. A square has no faces because it is flat, while a cube has 6 square faces. A square has 4 sides or edges, while a cube has 12 edges. A square has 4 vertices or corners, while a cube has 8 vertices or corners. A square has no thickness, while a cube has thickness or height. Alright, let's discuss the relationship between a square and a cube. A cube is made up of squares. Its face of a cube is a square. When a cube is unfolded, it forms a net of 6 squares. What shape is this? Yes, it is a triangle. What solid figure can we form from this shape? Alright, we can form a pyramid. Now let's compare the triangle and the pyramid. A triangle is a 2D or two-dimensional figure, while a pyramid is a 3D or three-dimensional solid. The dimensions of a triangle are length and height, while the dimensions of a pyramid are length, width, and height. A triangle has 3 sides or edges, while a pyramid has more edges. For example, a triangular pyramid has 6 edges, and a square pyramid has 8 edges. A triangle has 3 vertices or corners, while a pyramid has more vertices. For example, a triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. A square pyramid has 5 vertices. A triangle has no faces because it is flat, while a pyramid has faces, a base, and a triangular faces that meet at a point. A triangle has no thickness, while a pyramid has thickness or height. What is the relationship between a triangle and a pyramid? A pyramid is made up of triangles. The side faces of a pyramid are triangles. When a pyramid is unfolded, its net shows triangular faces attached to the base. What shape is this? Yes, it is a circle. What solid figure can we form from this shape? Alright, we can form a sphere. Now let's compare the circle and the sphere. A circle is a 2D or two-dimensional figure, while a sphere is a 3D or three-dimensional solid. The dimensions of a circle are radius and diameter, because a circle is defined by the distance from the center to the edge or radius, and the distance across the circle through the center or diameter. The dimensions of a sphere are also radius and diameter, because a sphere is defined by the distance from the center to the surface or radius, and the distance across the sphere through the center or diameter. A circle has no edges, while a sphere has no edges too. A circle has no vertices or corners, while a sphere has no vertices or corners too. A circle has no faces because it is flat, while a sphere has one curved face. A circle has no thickness, while a sphere has thickness or depth. What is the relationship between a circle and a sphere? A sphere is related to a circle because all cross-sections of a sphere are circles. A circle is a flat shape while a sphere is a round solid shape. You can think of a sphere as a circle that has depth. Now it's time to check your understanding. Let's answer a 5-item multiple choice quiz about relating plane figures to solid figures. Read its question carefully, think about the shapes and their attributes, and choose the best answer. See how sharp your geometry skills are. Question number 1. Which plane figure forms the faces of a cube? A. Triangle, B. Square, C. Rectangle, D. Circle. What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Square. A cube has 6 faces, and all of them are squares. Each square face is identical in size. Question number 2. How many edges does a rectangular prism have? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, or D. 12? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter D. 12. A rectangular prism has 12 edges. 4 edges on the top, 4 on the bottom, and 4 vertical edges connecting to the top and the bottom. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a plane figure? A. Circle, B. Triangle, C. Sphere, or D. Rectangle? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter C. Sphere. A sphere is a 3-dimensional solid figure, while circles, triangles, and rectangles are 2D plane figures. Question number 4. What are the faces of a square pyramid? A. 5 squares, B. 4 triangles and 1 square, C. 6 squares, or D. 3 rectangles? What do you think the answer? Alright, the correct answer is letter B. 4 triangles and 1 square. A square pyramid has a square base and 4 triangular faces that meet at the apex. Question number 5. Which of the following correctly describes a sphere? A. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. B. It has 1 curved surface, no edges, and no vertices. C. It has 4 triangular faces and 1 square face. Or D, it has two circular faces and one curved surface. What do you think the answer? Alright. The correct answer is letter B. It has one curved surface, no edges, and no vertices. A sphere is a 3D solid figure that is perfectly round. It has no flat faces, no edges, and no vertices, only a single curved surface. Great job everyone for completing today's lesson on relating plane figures to solid figures. I hope you learned how plane shapes connect to solid figures and understood their different attributes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description for more fun and easy math lessons. See you in the next video.